There's Dover Elevator Fan 1.
There's Captain Elevator 429.
There's GucciPowerGrizzlyBearDopeAF. King of Steven. And then these EMR elevators.
Here, we have some nice collapsed EMR elevators with a modern cab.
And MCE controllers.
Yep. Let's see here. Looks like we have cruiser.
Right?
Oh, they got those lanterns.
Right.
Oh, the door close button is not where it's usually at.
Now, let's go to 5.
Let's not press that one.
Okay, off to 5.
Now it's official leveling.
Let's go to 1.
I like how they spend a lot of money for a traction elevator, but it's not like a fast and moving traction. I guess it balances it out.
It's got the standard UT Austin tubular locks and VR indicator COD. Look at this cab too. This is a very nice cab.
It really is.
One more take, or we go.
Let's go to 5.
Okay, I go back up again. Now, don't press the alarm. That's not a good idea. It's got accidental call cancel on it. This is very nice. Door close. Oh, door close works. I like that.
People are getting along soon.
And here's the elevator number.
Elevator 1.
I like those old looking indicators. Those are cool.
Right.
Yeah, that's it.
Alright, we're going to main building now.
Alrighty.
Do they still